Ourselves the EcoTank ET-2800. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing here. First, we have the owner's manual. And let's go in this side right here, right in the front. We have our 4 lovely colors of ink. We have yellow, looks like it's Magneta, cyan, and black. Those are the 4 colors that you get. Get ourselves the power cable here for the printer. And obviously here is the printer as well. Let's go ahead and take this out slowly and gently. Box is all removed. Now let's go ahead and take a look at these 4 different components up close. Each of these tanks of ink here comes in these vacuum package seals. All you have to do is look for the small cutout at the top here, tear, and then it comes right open. Just make sure you don't squeeze the bottle, but then you could easily remove it. And then all you have to do is just repeat the process for the remaining. Now the ink has been removed and unpackaged. Let's go ahead and open up the package here for the power cable. So this is a pretty nice long power cable, which is good. Let's go ahead and remove this twist tie here. This is extremely good length for the power cable. Now let's just go ahead and repeat this process for the last 2. Owner's manual right here. Let's go ahead and just remove the wrapping. And then let's go ahead and do this finally for the printer. Last up here is the printer. Let's go ahead and remove the packaging here. And as you can see, we have the blue tape all around. Let's just go ahead and remove that now. So the wrappings and everything are now off, and you have your printer, you have your manual, you have your 4 colors of ink, and last but not least, you have your power cable. And that's what comes in the box here for the Epson EcoTank ET-2800.